friends, welcome to my YouTube channel JIBA BIGYAN. This is Dr. Subrat Kumar Mahanti. Today we will discuss about the differences and similarities between taxonomy and systematics. But before that, will you please consider subscribing my YouTube channel. Your subscription and viewership are often a lot to me. Friends, in several textbooks, the terms taxonomy and systematics are used interchangeably, but this is wrong. These two are closely related but distinct fields of biology. First, taxonomy. Taxonomy is a branch of biology that deals with the characterization, identification, nomenclature and classification of organisms into distinct hierarchical ranks known as taxonomic categories. The term taxonomy was coined by a scientist, Augustin Pyramus de Candolle, in his famous work Theorie élémentaire de la botanique in 1830. This term is derived from two words. One Greek word taxis, that means arrangement, and the second Latin word nomos, that means law. So taxonomy is the law of arrangement of organisms into different groups based on shared characteristics. These are the core aspects of taxonomy. Number one, characterization. It is the description of the organism or the specimen in terms of its diagnostic characteristics. The characteristics which are used for identification of the organism or groups of organisms are known as diagnostic characteristics, which are specific for specific organisms. After determination of the diagnostic characteristics, next step is identification. In this step, the specimen or the organism is identified by comparing its characteristics with those of already existing organisms or groups of organisms. So, by comparing the characteristics of an organism with already existing organism or taxonomy groups, we can identify the individual. Third step is nomenclature. After identification of the organism, the next step is to assign a specific scientific name. For naming different species, binomial nomenclature is followed. By contrast, the scientific names of other taxonomic categories, such as genus, family, order, class, division, and kingdom, are uninominal. Last step is classification. It is a process by which organisms are divided into hierarchical ranks based on its shared traits. These hierarchical ranks are known as taxonomic categories. Such type of classification is known as hierarchical system of classification. Next, come to systematics. Systematics is a broader discipline of biology that includes taxonomy plus phylogeny. The term systematics was coined by Carlos Linnaeus in his book Systema Nature, which was published in 1735. The term systematics is derived from a Latin word systema, that means systematic arrangement. So systematics is the arrangement of organisms in a systematic way. Systematics is a broader discipline of biology that includes taxonomy plus phylogeny. Previously, we have already discussed about the core aspects such as characterization, identification, nomenclature, and classification. Now the question is, what is phylogeny? It is the study of evolutionary history and relationship among groups of organisms. Phylogeny uses branching diagrams known as phylogenetic trees to infer relationship based on shared characteristics. It also compares DNA, RNA, and protein sequence to measure genetic divergence and also analyzes as how morphology and anatomy of different organisms change over time. In addition to this, phylogeny also takes fossil records into account to show relationship with extinct organisms. So unlike taxonomy, systematics is a broader scientific field that includes taxonomy but is focused heavily on the study of evolutionary history, diversification of different organisms from common ancestors, and phylogenetic relationship among organisms. So friends, this is all about a comparison between taxonomy and systematics. For more updates, subscribe my YouTube channel. Goodbye and good night.